Okay, so I am excited for this video. Now I'm going to be trying out two things, one of the best side hustles and one of the worst side hustles. The first one being print on demand. Now yes, I've tried countless side hustles over the past several years, but print on demand has been one that I've always avoided. But several gurus on YouTube are proclaiming that this side hustle can make you bank, so we're going to be finding out if that's actually possible. But at the same time, I'm also going to be trying out surveys, which is one of the side hustles that I despise the most because it takes a lot of time and it usually does not give that much money. But people do say that this can make you hundreds of dollars every single day, so hopefully this is not going to be a waste of time. So we're going to be trying out both of these side hustles for 1 hour and see if we can make at least the minimum hourly wage in the UK, which is around £10. So hopefully this is not going to be a waste of 1 hour of my life. So for those who do not know what print on demand is, this is another form of dropshipping in a way. So instead of holding the products and the t-shirts and whatever you're going to sell, all I have to do is go on a website. I need to make the design of the t-shirt or the hoodie or the jumper, and they will take care of everything else. So I also don't have to use my own personal website like Shopify, because Teesprings, it actually take care of the website and the payments and everything else. So all I have to do is focus on the design, and I've already done that already to save some time. So here is the brand new account that I made today. So I literally made this a few minutes ago, and I'm going to have to choose what products I actually want to sell. So I'm going to go into the best sellers because I want to go for the one that costs the least amount of money, but it's also one that appeals to most people. So there's different kind of t-shirts here. I'm going to go for the most basic one, just the classic tee, because it is also the cheapest. This costs $13.34. So the design I went with is very simple. So during my day-to-day life, I realized that there's a lot of people, especially from eBay dropshipping, there's a lot of people who have interest in dogs and dog items and dog food and all of that dog associated stuff. So I realized that why not appeal to people who are interested in dogs as well. So I came up with a brief idea of just some sort of t-shirt design that's really simple, something similar to what I'm wearing, where it's just a black t-shirt with some sort of text on the left side or the right side, and that is it. People seem to just like the simple stuff. It also costs me less money and time having to make a complex design. So I spent some time thinking about it and I came up with an idea. So this is just the plain t-shirt, and eventually after a few minutes I came up with this. So all I simply did was just use a hashtag, and this simply says hashtag dog person. This picture here is from Canva. I simply took out the background and slapped it in here. So this is the entire design. So to preview it, I think this actually looks really good. Now it is summer and I'll prefer to actually have a white t-shirt, but I can't do that here because as soon as I make the t-shirt white, you will not be able to see the text anymore, and unfortunately I can't have two designs because then that's two different products, and it just messes things up. So I'm going to go with just the black t-shirt, but actually I can add more colors. I'm gonna go with the black, maybe the blue and pink. Oh yeah, this looks good. And now for the front view, I am going to make that the black one because I do think that looks the best. Now in terms of price, I do want this to be pretty affordable as well. I'm not too fussed about the profit at the moment. Again, I just want to see if this sells. If this is able to sell and I'm able to make more money than I would usually make, or anyone would usually make in the regular 9-to-5 job in the first hour, which is around £10, then I'll see this as a W. So we will probably go with maybe something like $19.99. To be fair, for a t-shirt that is pretty expensive. I don't know if I'll buy a plain t-shirt like this for $19.99, but I think it's kind of the cheapest we can go because Teesprings is also going to take their fees, and in the EU I'm going to make it the exact same thing. So for every sale we're going to make €3.94, I believe that's what that is. So this is looking good at the moment. And now we're gonna click and continue. Again, I'm not gonna branch out into other products for now. I'm just gonna leave it as the simple men's t-shirt, but definitely the hoodie is looking pretty good. But we're just gonna keep it as a t-shirt for now. Cool, so this looks good. I've put the description together now. So the listing is now live. This is how it's going to look for anyone on a laptop. So this actually looks really good. I'm actually impressed by what I was able to do. So I put this together in about 2 minutes. I mean, you guys literally saw how quick that was. Besides from the design, which took some thinking, it's still very simple to do. All the sizes are going to be available for anyone who wants any. They can also get as much as they can, and I do not have to worry about inventory or design or printing or anything of that sort. sale. So now in order to make a sale, I need to make people aware of this product. So the easiest way to do so is by using Instagram pages, and I'm probably going to find one that is related to dogs in some way, because what this means is there is already a good audience that will probably be interested in this product. It's also cheaper than using Facebook ads, because that's just going to cost a ton of money. So I'm going to find a relatively cheap Instagram page with good audience retention, good likes, and just good stats that I can actually reach out to you and let them know that they should help me shout out this product for just 1 hour, and will hopefully be able to make a sale. So I've been able to find a page that looks really good. Most of the videos are getting between 500,000 to sometimes 2 mil, 3 mil views. So I'm telling you, dog pages are the thing. For some reason, people are very attached to pets. I see why, but I don't think it's that deep. But now I think this is going to be a really good page, and they actually agreed to help me shout out this product on 3 of their pages for just $10. I don't know how I was able to finesse that, but I think that is a very good deal. It might also be cheap just because I said it's only for an hour, so hopefully we can get some sort of conversion in that hour. Usually you would leave this up for about 24 hours, but I don't really have that time to wait. Now whilst I wait for them to reply to my message so I can actually send the payment through, I have gone ahead and start the timer. So now I have an hour from now to actually make a sale. I haven't actually sent them the product here or sent them the details here, and they haven't posted it, but I do believe they will hopefully reply in a good time. If not, then they will completely mess this up. But right now I have also gone ahead to make the post that they are going to actually put up. So I do believe that this is somewhat good. Now it says double tap if you love being a dog person. I don't know, I find it really simple. Hopefully it's not really cringe. Alright, so it's been almost half an hour and my guy on Insta has not yet responded. So rather than wasting my time, I figured I would actually start the surveys at this moment. So I'm gonna do the surveys for 1 hour, then I'm gonna let you guys know how that goes. So this is actually the survey app that I've been able to find, and it's called Swagbuck, and this is meant to be one of the best ones out there. So I'm gonna download this now, spend 1 hour of my life going through this, and hopefully I can actually make some decent buck from it. Alright, so there's currently 14 seconds left until it's been the total hour of me doing this. Now the person on Instagram still has not responded, but this is an update on the survey. Now this has to be one of the worst things that I've ever done. It was so boring, so tedious, so long, and so unworth it. I would not recommend it to anyone. I don't think I can actually do this again. So how this works is you can't automate it, you can't really cheat the system in any way, because they ask you these trick questions to make sure that you are actually doing it live in person, because you actually have to get the right answer, or you don't actually get any money back, you don't get anything, and the survey just suddenly ends. There was also some occasions where I was doing the survey and then it suddenly stops, or it was laggy and I couldn't move on, so I had to go back, and then I don't earn any money at all, or I earn half or less than what I'm meant to get in total. Now to make it worse, I found out I could not actually withdraw the money I earned. Now I know I didn't even earn a lot, to be fair, even though I put in a lot of work and time into this nonsense. I actually earned 121 swag buck. I'm guessing that's what the SB means. And now found out that 700 swag bucks is £5. Bear in mind that's £5, and it takes a very long time. Some of these surveys are saying 11 minutes of your time will give you 62. So you could just imagine how much time you have to put in to get just £5 of, you know, worth. So in total, when I did the maths, it happens to be that I earned, I believe, 86 pence in the past hour of me doing this. Now maybe I've done it wrong, maybe I'm not cheating the system enough or finding the best ones to click on or the surveys, but there were several times I was doing the survey and it just cuts off on me, or I couldn't carry on and something always happened. So it happened to be that I didn't earn the full amount I could actually earn in total. But either way, this was an absolute rubbish, one of the worst side hustles out there for sure. So let's just say I approximately earned £1 from doing this survey. So now this means I need to earn £9 from the print on demand to actually hit the £10 mark. So when my guy decides to respond to me, or I might just try to find somebody else, but I don't think I'll find a better deal of $10 on free accounts and all of that. That's why I don't want to find someone else, because it's going to cost me more money. But hopefully when he does respond, then I'm going to list up the products and I'll update you guys on how much money we hopefully make. Alright, so after countless hours of waiting, he has finally posted a video and everything is now up and ready to go. Now it's been approximately half an hour since he posted a video, so it's been 31 minutes exactly, this post currently has 57 likes, but there are 2 other pages that he posted this on. And after the post, which you can see right here, then we have the double tap if you're a dog person. Then we have the t-shirt on the final page. So it's looking pretty good. He also posted it on his story, so everything is looking not too shabby at the moment. Now it's been half an hour. If we're to take a look at the views, you know, if we're to refresh the page, then we can currently see that we have approximately 9 views in the past half an hour. So what are the chances of making a sale? It's not too bad. I mean, 9 views, I don't know, to be fair. I mean, we're just gonna hope. We have another half hour for him to keep this posted. Eventually he's going to take it off, and hopefully we can make a sale. Otherwise we're currently gonna be on a negative. Okay, so it's almost been an hour. There's about 5 minutes left, so I'm gonna make an update quickly before this person actually takes off the post. So on his second page, this post currently has 51 likes, which isn't too bad. Probably way more views, but I can't really see how many views. I don't know how to check. But on this primary page, it has 121 likes, and then there's the first page, which probably has another like 50 likes or so. So it's done really well. It's been 54 minutes exactly since we posted this, and we do have some good news, ladies and gentlemen. I have to say that this has some sweet opportunities. So taking a look here at the amount of views that this got in total, we can see that it actually has around 11. So if we're to refresh the page, it has a total of 13 views in the past 55 minutes, give or take, and we also have 1 order. So we made a sale, which is good, but in total we are on a fat negative because the profit we earned was only $4. So that's going to be approximately £3.80 or so. So that isn't good at all, because the aim was to make at least £9 for all of this to be worth it. But I can say that the reason for that is probably because of several things. Number one, the page actually looks it looks a bit meh, it looks a bit boring. Not the Instagram page, but the website page itself. So if we're to take a look again at the website, then we can see, or at the store, then we can see that it's a bit bland. I mean, there's nothing to it really. There's no, you know, the description was really enticing. I made this quickly. I didn't really put a lot of effort in. So if I did, then maybe it would attract a lot more buyers. Secondly, the domain also looks pretty cheeks, because you can see that it says my store -3 CD46F, whatever that says. It also looks like one scammy page, to be fair. So I'm actually surprised someone ordered. If I actually got my own domain, then that would have been better, probably would have been more trustworthy, but I have to pay to actually get my own domain. So that's one thing I wanted to avoid. So there are a few things that we could have done to definitely make more sales. So I'm not saying that this is a bad side hustle in any way, shape or form. To be fair, I'll probably try it in the future, probably put in a bit more effort, probably get my own domain. I'll try this again for sure, because it was pretty easy to start. It's definitely one I recommend to everyone. But at least we do have some good news. We made a sale. We are negative in total, but we made a sale. So that is definitely a wrap. This took way longer than it should. Thank you guys for watching the video. Be sure to drop a like if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.